Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Amazon Fire TV stick with new Alexa voice remote. So this is the 2019 model and we are going to unbox and review this device on the tech show. So let's get started. But we have two new surprises in this video. Number one, we'll show you how I completely removed my cable connection and replaced it with the Fire TV stick so I don't need to pay any more for cable services. Number two, I will provide you all the links which you can use to download the apps which will allow you to live stream your favorite channel on your Fire TV stick or any other Android TV dongle or even any Android TV. So while you're waiting for, let's get started. This video is going to be really long, so stay tuned and you can skip to the part you like. So let's start, shall we? So guys, this is the Amazon packaging and this arrived with Prime shipping. So I ordered it in the evening and the next day afternoon I got the package. So the price quoted on the Amazon is 4,000 rupees, but I was able to get it for 3,200. Now that's because if you are a Prime member, you get the Fire TV stick at 20% off. So just check the coupon in the Amazon page, on the Fire TV page. Any accessories that you buy, you'll get 20% off if you are a Prime member. So if you're buying it, or maybe for get your friend's account, friend's Prime account, and get some discounts. So it comes with this very nice orange box and it is very nicely packed. So first we will remove the sellotape. So let's try to remove it and let's bring our small scissor and cut the plastic off. Cutting the plastic, revealing the white box, and it has very nice matte finish. Just looks good, and it has the remote printed on the front with the dongle. Very nice presentation, and you have plethora of apps listed on the top, which is the very good feature of the Fire TV stick because it supports Indian services, so that's great. Also, the price quoted here is 4,499. So they are currently selling in the discount, so grab. And especially in the Amazon Great Indian Sale, you get more discounts. Also, there's a lot of features, Alexa features listed on the box, so let's don't waste our time and try to cut the seal. So it has nice arrows to show you that how you want to open this. So first I will try to peel the seal. Let's cut this with the knife, and now we can just peel this off. Satisfying peeling noise. So let's remove this. Very nice packaging. Impressed with overall impressions how this device is basically packed. So it has box and another box, and this seems to be an impressive box. It seems to be a little bit heavy. And I have unboxed my TV2 dongle. The box was also very nice. So let's compare it with this one. So opening the box, it is a two-sided box. Weird. So it opens in this way. And you have a plethora of accessories here. So first you get your manual, your Fire TV stick, and warranty information, and you have how to kind of connect it. Well, I already have dongle, so I will just swap it with the Fire TV stick. You also get the Alexa features and stuff. They really more advertising Alexa. Also, you get this remote which has special Alexa button and volume controls and mute buttons. And surprisingly, it's really the right remote. Far than ever expected. And this is the star of the show. This is the Fire TV stick which goes behind your TV. So once it's gone there, no one gonna see it. So it just hides and give all your features to your television. You also get surprisingly very good quality of micro USB cable, and I'm really surprised with the quality of components in there because I also bought the TV2 dongle and it has rubbish kind of components. You can see a very nice micro USB to USB cable, a very high quality, and this is the exceptional best the HDMI dongle extension I ever seen. I've never seen this box kind of situation. I just see the cable, and this is very nice. So this goes with symmetric to the Fire TV stick, so squares, and you also get this pencil sail for your remote, and you also get an Amazon branded adapter with the USB connector. So there are plethora of accessories, very high quality accessories. I liked it. So the unboxing experience was really great. So now I will use it for some time and we'll be back with my full review. So what are you waiting for? Let's start with the review. Hey, what's up guys? So this is Akshay after a long time, probably more than a month, and I'm using this Fire TV stick. And as you can see, there's no set-top box here because I completely ditched it. And the reason for that is because the pricing of set-top box has been increasing. So now the current pricing with the new revised dry rules, it's $475 per month for non-SD. And my TV is Full HD that I bought in 2015. And since then, I'm subscribing to SD channel because HD is really too expensive, and now in fact SD is expensive. So why would I pay that much and pay for a set-top box extra? Instead, I can get a Fire TV stick at that price and forget about the payments. So in Fire TV stick, once you bought it, it's yours. It's all your apps. You can install, sideload, and even if you pay for premium, you get a lot more than a cable TV connection. So let's get started. I will explain you how I did this. So of course, if you know that the media companies in the India basically are the boon to all the channels. So Sony has like 20 plus channels, like Hotstar, Z has plethora of channels and services. So in this way, these apps are available on the Amazon App Store. So you can just download the apps once you bought the device and you can watch all your channels, be it live, be it later. So live TV functionality is there by default, but that is not free. So you have to go for, say, live TV. So you just go to channels, and in the channels, you can see you get the free live TV, all the news channels and stuff, and you also get a premium live TV in which you have to pay. So for Sony, it's 500 rupees a year if you want to watch live. So initially, I subscribed for the first month. Then I think I don't need it because it works flawlessly for the most part. For example, 7 days it not buffers, but 4 days it buffers. So the best idea is to switch to already hosted content. So for example, Tarak Mehta gone live at 8 o'clock in the evening, 8 p.m. and I can watch it at night around 9 or 10. Now the reason because these apps do it by genuine. So for example, let's go back, and as you can see, if you go to home, let's go to Sony Live, and it's smooth for the most part, but I notice few lags when you switch between apps, and that's because of the limited hardware. But you can see continue watching. So once you watch a channel, you can watch the next channel easily. You also get all the latest episode hosted. So I mean, what's the problem here? Like, I want to watch Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. There you go. It just starts instantly and in full HD.
और मैं ना खूब सारा आलू लेके जाती हूँ। ऊपर भाई मैं आपके लिए स्पेशल बंगाली झूड़ी भाजा बना के लेके आऊंगी। हाँ?
And this is not just limited. Like, there's plethora of programs you can watch. It is not needed that you subscribe for the Prime membership. You can do without the Prime membership also. Also, you have Z5. Z5 has a very good movie collection. It's free for 1 week for Prime users. So if you bought a new Fire TV stick, you'll get free for 1 week. And then if you would like to pay, you could pay, or you could just watch free shows. So all shows are available to watch with ads free in every app. If you want no ads, you can just pay and enjoy your favorite show within 20 minutes, no ads. So you can see the pilot movie and Kedarnath and Uri is very good movie that was there. So I watched plethora of movies with this. Earlier I used to use TV2 dongle, which was rubbish in my opinion. But this is fantastic, and I don't need any cable connection. I can host all my channels here. Also, if you're worrying that what about news, so you have Aaj you have NDTV, and these services provide free streaming, so you get free live TV with those channels. So nothing to pay here, just get the Fire TV stick, get the all important channels, news channels for free streaming. Now for sports, you need to pay premium membership, but I will also give you many options there. You can see the news is here, and in fact some apps provide written content, so that's fantastic. So for example, Ashik is completely free, and it comes with ads. Of course, it is free, it comes with ads. If you pay, you don't get any ads, so that's good. Also, you have now journal apps like YouTube. You also have Geo Cinema. So if you have GSM, you just log in with that number and you have a plethora of movies to watch. Now this tells me that Geo TV will also come to Fire TV stick. and I have the APK. You can try it. Let's go to your apps and games, and you can see GeoTV, and this is a full working GeoTV for Fire TV Stick. I will leave the link in the description below on our new website, that's download.yourtechshow.com, and you can get this. Currently, it stopped working since 14 March because I think they are rolling out the public version very soon, and it's working. See, it's working. It was just working yesterday, but it's working now. So GeoTV is working fantastic. Some channels don't work as of now, but there are many alternatives. So even if you don't want to use these apps, you can use plethora of services and apps that you can sideload, because this is an Android TV. So for example, this is my favorite app. It's called Legendary TV. It provides all channels for free, even kids channels, international channels, and stuff. So there is an update for now. I don't want to update right now. Okay, so it's forcing me to download now. Anyways. Also, you have a web browser. It's completely interface, but you can watch live TV free in this app. There's many apps like that. I will leave all this in the description below. So now let's get out of here. So also you have favorite apps like Spotify. I mean, this is my favorite app to watch music on TV. Like you just listen to the sound. Just the interface is very nice of Spotify. So you get every app that you imagine on Fire TV Stick. So that's incredible. In fact, MeTV doesn't have Netflix, but you also get Netflix here. Now what's next? You also get games here. So let me go to games. This is a nice game, and it works flawlessly as a part. It is designed for the Fire TV remote. So this is the remote, and it comes with various nice. So you have volume buttons, and during the initial boot, you have to set which TV do you have. So it's gonna map this Bluetooth controller with the IR. So you get Bluetooth plus you get IR. So you can control all your TV with one remote. You don't need any other remote. Power on, power off, and everything. Now let's try to play a game here. Let's play. And the remote is very nice, comfy, and very small, but very delicate as well. So it's loading. Most part the system is fast. Sometimes it lags when you're multitasking. Just see the quality of the video. Now I will just show you a demo a little bit. I'm bad at games. Anyways, let's exit this. Other thing, you also have your Amazon services. So you have your Amazon Prime Video and Prime Music, and it's incredible. You also have Alexa. So there you have a voice remote button. Play Thugs of Hindustani.
I can't find the album Thugs of Hindustan.
Alright. Play Thug of Hindustani movie.
Loading Thugs of Hindustan from Sawan.
Alright, so it's opening in the Sawan app, but it just works flawlessly. Sometimes it just doesn't work. You know, voice assistant, how it works. So, hey Alexa, what's the weather today?
In Mulund West, Mumbai 80 Maharashtra, it's 36 degrees Celsius with mostly sunny skies. Today,
And you can ask like, show me new movies. So there you go. And I watch these movies. It's always a pleasure to watch these movies. So overall impression, really great device. And you should have it. Of course, links in the description below. And it's not necessary to pay for every subscription of that. You can just watch it free with ads. But if you pay for subscription, you get more than what your cable TV has to offer. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.